Welcome. Yes, another Sunday afternoon, and I would like to do another quick update of our trading this last week. Again, this was another great week that we had very, very good numbers the whole week. And this is also the last week of March. We only have one more trading day, that is tomorrow. This is Sunday, the 30th of March when I'm doing this recording. So I'm so glad to be able to bring us again the numbers as they are and as we traded this particular week. And so without much stories, let's go right in and share those particular numbers right here to tell you and to show you exactly what has been happening on the trading. So yes, this is the trading platform, not really the platform, but the trading my FX book that basically shows you exactly what is happening within the trading application that I'm doing. Again, just for new members right here, and probably because I've not introduced myself, my name is Jeremiah Kendagor, a Forex trader of a number of years, and I'm so glad to have you following me and listening to this particular presentation. And basically, I am talking about Forex trading, automated Forex trading. And so I'm trying to show you the numbers of this particular system that I'm using to auto trade. Again, just like, and I normally share this in my links everywhere, either in TikTok or in Facebook or in WhatsApp. And more specifically in WhatsApp, I would like to encourage you to join my WhatsApp group. The link is in my the YouTube video. Right below this particular video, you will be able to see this, how to join the WhatsApp group. Because in WhatsApp group, I share more details every single day of what's happening on the trading. And in fact, this coming week, I'll also be sharing another video that will show you now the real numbers. Right now here, when I'm talking about the update here, I'm just showing you on percentage. And most of you have been asking me, what do these percentages mean in real money? All right, does it mean that you are actually making money? Are you able to take this money to the supermarket and maybe buy something on whatever it is? So yes, I will be releasing another video that I'll share only within the WhatsApp group that will show you the actual real numbers. What do these numbers actually mean, and so on. But that said, let me just run through these particular numbers this particular week. Again, the link is right here. Again, this particular link is shared in the description below. So if you need this particular link, you can just go to the description below and you will be actually brought right here within my FX book. And as I said, my FX book basically is a third-party validator that validates what happens within a trading account. So my trading account, as you can see here, JKKFX, that's me. And this is a real account that is trading on IC markets. It's using technical, automated 1 to 500 leverage and trading on MetaTrader 4. The records are fully tracked, and I have the trading privileges, and courtesy to my FX book, they actually pay me rebates of my own trading. And you can see the numbers have been very, very good. Right now, we are at 69.4%. Ever since we started this particular trading account on December the 23rd, up to now. And you can see the consistency of this particular chart is very, very impressive. Let me just change this to change instead of pips. All right, I realize that pips kind of is a more technical term on what is happening on the trading account. But what is more important is how much are you making every single day. All right, the changes that are happening every single day. So these particular green candles that you see down here are actually the actual percentages that are making per day. And when the system averages all of them from the beginning of December up to now, it is averaging on a daily basis of 0.54%. Now, that is incredibly very well. In fact, my own conservative target per day is actually 0.4. If I can, not even 0.4, 0.2%. If I can do 0.2%, for me, that is incredible. And the monthly target that I personally have is actually 4%. If I can achieve 4% every month, that is very good. But look at what averagely we've been able to do in the last since December. If you average the whole of this journey from here up to where it is currently, I have been averaging a return rate of 17.94%, all right, every single month. But I have, in the last 2 months, I have actually beaten this particular record by far. The other thing that you probably might need to see is that over the history of this particular journey, since the December 23rd, I have only had a day that I had a drawdown of 17.4%. And that only occurred once. I could actually just show you that particular point right here. Let me see, right here. That is the time that we actually, that particular 17.41%. As at close of business yesterday on Friday, 2 days ago, the running trades that are currently running are less than 0.04%. Can you imagine? 0.04% is what I closed with. In fact, you want to see those particular numbers, those particular trades, they are here. Yeah, these are the trades. All right. Open trades that I'm having are 6 of them currently that are open. And these are the trades that I'm having right here. Before I come to these percentages at the bottom here, let me just show you one more thing right here, okay? So, as I mentioned, this month of March, we are already at 23.27%. This particular week, we actually achieved more than 3%, all right? And given that by the end of last weekend, we had already done 20%, you can see now we are at 23% for the month of March. And we still have one more trading day. I don't expect much to happen tomorrow. Whatever happens, we will see. But yes, we are already at an all-time high monthly return of 23%. Now, that is a very good number. Now, the year, that is from January. So January, February, March, 3 months. We are already at 65%. So if you actually divide 65% by 3, we are already averaging more than 20%. So if God is willing and we continue running these good numbers, and I don't see why not, we should not do that, we might actually be achieving more than 20% per month. But remember, my personal target is 4%. So anything that is above 4% all the way to 20% is extremely very, very good. I'm talking like that in terms of financial numbers. Anyone that can achieve more than 4% per month, that is incredibly, because then you will have a return of more than 48% in a whole year. That return, you cannot get it anywhere. Of course, as I mentioned, all this information that I'm giving you is for educational purpose only, and this is not an advice for you to be able to invest or to do any one of those. If you need an investment advice, please seek that kind of advice from your specialist. Here I'm just sharing my own personal experience with automated trading, the system of which you can actually copy for yourself. And again, the copy button is right here at the top right-hand corner. Yes, top right-hand corner, the one I'm just pointing right now. So if you click that, it has a drop-down that has either for you to subscribe. That means if you just want to be checking what is going on with this account, you can subscribe. But if you want to actually copy it directly into your account, you can actually go through the copy. Right now, I have several people that are actually copying this particular account. And by the way, if you are one of them that is already copying my system, kindly reach out to me. Give me what are your experiences. how are you finding it, and so on. Maybe comment on this particular video at the bottom in the comment section. Tell me how you are experiencing this particular trading. So just to run through the numbers, maybe I can begin on 2024, because 2024 we traded only for 1 week, and that is the December 23rd. As I mentioned, the last week of December we traded only for 1 week, and we achieved 2.59%. Yeah, so in the year 2025, we have achieved 12.53, 19.03, and 23.27 each one of the successive months respectively. It seems that we have a trajectory of improving our returns every month. Maybe I'm getting better with how I'm using this particular system and so on. And so for those who are joining right now, you are enjoying quite good results. Again, if you just want to know which currencies I'm trading with, you just click on any one of these and it will show you the instruments that I'm trading. Currently, I'm trading pound. All right, let me just show you that. So I'm trading pound. All right, pound against dollar. I'm trading the Australian dollar against Canadian dollar. I'm trading also Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar, and I'm also trading the CHF against Japanese yen. I was trading euro at the beginning and in the previous months, but I've since actually dropped euro. That's why you can see the percentage of euro contribution to the profitability here is very little. It's actually at 6%, 6.8%. And the reason is because I've already dropped the euro. The reason why I dropped euro is because it is a European currency trading against the dollar, and the pound is also a European currency trading against the dollar. And I found that I am by trading these two accounts, I was kind of doubling my risk with respect to these particular pairs because they seem to do exactly the same thing. I am contemplating introducing a new pair. Probably I'll trade gold, maybe against the euro or something. But that's what I'll be able to do maybe going forward, and I'll be able to let you guys know. So these are the numbers that are available on this particular platform that you can actually see. All right, very good numbers again that I am sharing with you. I would like to just let you know about these particular numbers are right there. Maybe I can go here and let me see if I can come here and probably just mention a few things that you probably may want to be able to do. Let me see if I can be able to write this down here. Okay, let me check that. Let me see whether we can get this one going right there. Okay. So basically what I want to just share here is basically how do you get to also benefit from this particular system by simply copying these particular trades. So of course the first thing is that you need a broker account. So again, choose any broker of your choosing. All right. In fact, come this week, I am actually partnering with another broker right here in Kenya, which is fully licensed by CMA. By the way, even IC Markets is actually fully licensed by CMA, Capital Markets Authority. So you can choose any broker of your own choosing. Of course, it's advisable to use a broker that is regulated by a reputable body. All right, it doesn't matter whether it's Kenyan or wherever it is in the world. That is completely up to you. But if you choose to use any one of my links, and you can actually get them at the description of this particular video below, or any one of my in the WhatsApp group and so on, you will enjoy 30% discount. You will enjoy 30% discount on the copying charges. Remember, my FX book, will charge for you to copy this particular system $45 per month. By the way, that is very little, okay? That is slightly less than $2 a day. All right, that's slightly less than $2 a day. But if you use any one of my links to open a broker account, you will enjoy 30%. You will enjoy 30%. So what does that mean? It means that the $45 will go down to $32 per month. Now that can be good for you, isn't it? So if I can just, so you can actually enjoy 30% and actually get to that. The other thing is, how much capital do you need to start? How much capital do you need to start this particular trading? I normally suggest do not less than $2,000, or if you are using a cent account, maybe try $1,000. But this one must be changed to a cent account. Okay, a cent account basically means that the account will be multiplied by 10. So this will actually be equal to, will read 10,000. Now, the reason why I talk about these particular numbers here is so that you are at least able to make your to cover for the cost of your monthly charges, and also make enough money for yourself. If you are going to trade with a small account and you are already paying $45 a month, now that can be a challenge if you are trading with a small account. So again, that is something that I just want to mention so that you get to be able to appreciate. So without much ado, those are the numbers that I wanted to share with you this Sunday. I don't want to take long. I just want to say that these numbers are extremely very, very good. Anyone who is in the financial markets, and you know what financial markets actually can give you, all right? If you are talking about treasury bond, treasury bills, you can only get 15% in a whole year, all right? And I'm telling you that 15%, we can achieve it in one single month. That 15% that you are going to earn in a whole year, you are going to achieve it in 1 year. Yes, in 1 month. But are there dangers? Of course there are. Are there more risks here? Yes, there are. Can this system blow your money? Maybe it can. All right? No guarantees, by the way. So yes, if you, depending on your risk appetite, probably then you can do treasury bills and bonds. But I can assure you that the way the system has been working, and probably before I actually finish this, let me actually show you something here that is interesting. Yeah, so let me just show you some more interesting statistics that are described a bit more in a more interesting manner. So let me just get this going here, if I can get that. Okay, let me get that here. Let me see whether I can get it going right here. So just bear with me. I'm trying to get that. Yes, right there. So normally when you click the copy button, you will normally be brought into a screen like this one. All right, and it will show you some good numbers here. Very interesting. By the way, you can actually see exactly when I started right there. I made a deposit actually there, and then I made another deposit here, and then I made another deposit here. And then on this, the gray area basically is the period on which I had not started providing signals to this. Now, the time I started doing signal provision is the white area from here, which is actually the March 12th. Is when it was possible for you to copy this. And again, you can actually see the statistics here. There is a real account, US dollar, IC markets, 1 to 500, MetaTrader 4. The cost is $45 per month. But as I said, if you join with my link, I will be able to give you a coupon discount of 30%. So that would come to 32%. Again, that would be interesting. Again, you can actually see that from this period here, the trading has been quite clean and smooth. In fact, cleaner than the earlier part here. I don't know whether that's because of euro, because actually when I dropped euro, I can see that the statistics have been quite stable. So these are very nice presentation of the graph. Again, these are the other numbers that I was talking about, and you can see in December what we achieved: the 2.59, then 12.53, then 19.03, and then now we are at 23.26. One additional day to go before we do that. So again, with the same statistics here, you can see open trades. There are 4 of them currently that are open, and open orders, I think these ones are no longer there. Actually, if I refresh this particular screen here, let me see what happens when I refresh it. Yeah, you can see when I refresh it now, it has the correct data. So these are actually the correct data now. There are 6 open trades that we closed with. There are no open orders because normally all open orders are closed over the weekend. Again, you can see the numbers there. They are okay, they're correct, and so on and so forth. So thank you very much. I don't want to belabor this too much beyond there. I want to wish all of you a good Sunday. God bless you. And those of you enjoying the Eid holiday tomorrow, and bless somebody else. Let's all bless somebody else who is not as fortunate as ourselves. Wish you all a great holiday tomorrow. It is a trading day, so we will make some money, hopefully, to add to the percentages of the March month before we begin the April month thereafter. So thank you very much. God bless you. Really appreciate each one of you. See you next time. Thank you.